Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I would like to talk to you about some very exciting news and updates from Instagram. Instagram has finally given us what we've all been waiting for. Well, those of us with fewer than 10,000 followers, anyway. Before a couple of weeks ago, the link in Stories option was only available to those blessed with a large follow account, but it is now being rolled out to all accounts. There is no longer a minimum follow account required to use the feature. Let's give 3 cheers to that. So, without any further ado, let's take a closer look at how you can add website links to Instagram stories. I'm going to promote one of my YouTube videos in this tutorial. So, let's start by taking a screenshot of my most popular video so I can add it to my Instagram story. Now, head on over to the Instagram app and create a story as you usually would. I'm going to add the screenshot from my YouTube video, then add some text. Next, click on the sticker icon. This will open up lots of options, such as GIFs, engagement-generating question and poll stickers, and, as you can see, there is a little icon called link. This is the one you'll want to select to add a link to your story. Before, you would only see this icon if you had 10,000 followers and/or were otherwise eligible for the link feature, but it is now being rolled out to everyone, regardless of follow account. If you can't see this icon yet, try making sure that your Instagram app is up to date. Once you've selected the link icon, Instagram then asks you to add the URL. I'm going to copy and paste my YouTube video URL, because that's what I'm promoting in this story. When you've added the link, press Done. As you can see, the YouTube link has now been added. You can move it around the story just as you can with other types of story sticker, and you can also change the appearance of it. If you tap on it, you can scroll through different styles. There aren't very many options at present, but Instagram has said that it is looking to develop new ways of customizing the link option. When you have placed your link where you want it and changed the appearance or style, you are good to go. Finish customizing your story, adding music, polls and other stickers, and then share it with your audience when you are ready. Let's now take a look at the finished story. When you tap on the YouTube link, a small pop-up will appear, asking the viewer if they want to visit the link. This pop-up looks exactly the same as when you share an in-feed post to your story. The viewer is asked if they want to see the original in-feed post when they tap on it. If a viewer clicks on Visit Link, they are then taken to the website you have chosen to share. In this case, they are taken to my YouTube video. It opens up inside the Instagram app, just as sponsored post links do. And, just as with other links that are opened inside the Instagram app, the Instagram story link will be saved in the Viewers, Your Activity section of the app. If I show you mine right now, you can see that the first link on the list, which is the last link I opened, is the link to my YouTube video. And that's that. You have now successfully shared a link in an Instagram story. It's as simple as that. Just remember to look for this icon in the stickers section. Do you have any questions about Instagram story links? Or anything else to do with Instagram? Feel free to ask me. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.